Whether you have dentures that you hate or you lose a tooth, you are going to need a replacement. Mini dental implants. You've heard those 3 words on this program before. They are a great option. Get your smile back looking great. Dr. Richard Boatman and Dr. Jordan Spencer from Troy Family Dental are here to explain the benefits of mini dental implants, and they've done more than a few, so they know of what they speak. All right, they are experts in the field. And I always like to go back to square one. Welcome, gentlemen. Always good
to be back.
Happy Friday. I like to, as you know, I like to start at the beginning. For people that don't understand what it is when we say mini dental implants, it's not mini teeth.
Right.
It's full-size teeth, but the implants are mini. So what's the deal?
Just as the name implies, mini means small, so it's a much smaller implant. With it being much smaller, it has a lot of great benefits. It's less invasive, there's less cost, less discomfort, less chair time. It just absolutely changes lives.
And when we talk about the implant part of this, we're talking about, I don't know which one you have, Don, but we don't want to move it. Let him show it. Yeah. That little thing, that little post,
tiny
that's
thing.
the actual implant.
That's it.
And people need to understand that it's being attached to bone material.
It is.
But because it's so small, it's not very painful, right?
Exactly. It just takes a few minutes to put 4 of these in, and the patient is usually only sore for about 1 day instead of a week.
It's a lot less than the old days. So this is the state of the art of the technology of tooth replacement. So let's talk about the applications then.
So one of the more common applications that Dr. Spencer and I see are patients with no teeth at all. Bottom dentures can be absolutely crippling for people. There's nothing to hold it in place. The tongue sits down there. We can place 4 of these and a couple of months later snap this into place. It'll snap right into place. The patient can now bite better. They don't have to use any of the denture glue at all, which most people hate. On the upper denture, a lot of people have a severe gag reflex, and they can't wear that. So we can place 6 on the top, and then when we snap that in, we can actually remove that palate. And now the patient no longer has a gag reflex, and they can taste their food much better.
So
also.
pull that off again, because this is the material. Normally, there's a lot of material still in here, and that's what people have a problem with. They don't taste their food as well, and they get the gagging, and stuff gets hung up in there too.
It does.
You remove a lot of that, so you're taking your existing dentures and using mini dental implants.
Yeah, and sometimes patients don't want all that plastic, denture plastic, so we can make actually a porcelain appliance that can snap into the implants. And this is the closest you'll feel to having your own teeth back. It's like they just grew out of the gums. You can bite into anything you want.
Or individual teeth.
Yeah, if you don't have enough bone and essentially you don't have enough bone to do any other kind of implant, you can do a mini implant that goes in there, and then we can go ahead and snap on a bridge. Or even a single crown in the front. Sometimes on the bottom, you don't have enough bone in the bottom, and we can do a crown on an implant down there.
This could be the answer to any kind of tooth replacement that you need at any scale, really. And I highly advise that you go to their office, because they're nice guys. They have a great office with great people working in there, and they're doing a bang-up business because they make people happy. To make an appointment with Dr. Boatman or Dr. Spencer at Troy Family Dental, call the number on the screen, 618-477-8421, and you can also find them on the web at troyfamilydental.com. 2 locations, right?
We have a new office in Edwardsville, Archview.
Awesome.
Yes.
Guys, thank you very much. Great.